Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to part 2 of my Easter Sunday vlog. Now in this video you see me DIYing and making up this beautiful Easter flower box arrangement. Also you'll see Oakley doing his Easter egg hunt in the garden, which is so much fun to watch. So if you'd like to see what we got up to Easter Sunday in this part 2 vlog, please keep watching. Okay, so we're just making a bit of lunch now. What are we having today, darling?
Prawn salad.
We've got prawn salad,
Halloumi.
Grilled halloumi,
And avocado.
and avocado. Sounds delicious, doesn't it? Yeah. Trust me, it smells delicious too. Look at that! Wow.
Yeah.
Little Okay, so for this part, it's Easter Sunday. We've just come to the park for our sort of afternoon or daily exercise. And, well, husband and Oakley have gone ahead. I'm trying to find them. I'm trying to find them in the park here right now. They're yonder, just there. They're normally at this side of the park, but today they've gone on that side, so more exercise for me, that's fine. There they are. Run into me. Hey! What have you got for me? Oh, you got for me? Some flowers? Oh, it's so pretty. Thank you.
Hey!
Say again. One more time.
Wait,
Oh.
wait, no more time. No.
No.
Look for the
And
egg.
you can find the eggs.
Find the eggs, hadi. Siyah,
Siyah.
beyaz,
Beyaz.
şampiyon,
Sabun.
Beşiktaş. Oley, 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 oley. Şampiyon, Beşiktaş.
Yeah.
Okay, this is your basket.
Yeah.
You have to look everywhere, yeah? Okay, I can see. I can see one already. Can you see one?
Yeah.
Whoa. Okay.
For the egg.
Okay, let's look for the other eggs. Oh.
Can't we looking for there? Look one is there.
Wow.
Good.
Oh yeah, go on.
Gold color. That's it. You know the color gold now.
Color. Oh, where is another? Oh, you see another one as well. Put in the
Okay,
basket.
put in the
this one.
basket.
Where's another one? What is color that one?
Blue.
Blue.
Whoa.
Okay.
For now one. They go for now one.
Come to chair. Come. Another side, on the side, on the side.
Purple.
You're finding.
What color is it?
Purple. They
Yeah.
go for now one.
Okay, let's one more.
What?
Can we find it? I can see it. Oh, again. Let's look on this side a little bit.
Nothing here.
Nothing there. You sure? It's a different one. It's not the gold metallic color one.
Hey, look. It's in the box. Whoa!
Can you see it?
Yeah.
You can get it?
Go inside.
Whoa!
You find it. Put in the basket, okay? Good boy.
Wow!
Good boy.
Happy
Oh,
Easter!
Happy Easter.
What's be for now one?
No,
Another
no,
one?
it's
No,
finished.
that's it now. Yeah?
That one. Which one? Oh, tomato chocolate. Really, is it? Tomato chocolate. Oh.
Smash! I didn't really pick up much items for Easter decorations. Doing a lot of filming in my room only because there's quite a lot of noise going on in the area. A lot of people doing DIY and stuff. So I thought I'd just come up my room. It's nice and peaceful and quiet here, and show you the items that I've actually picked up in various stores for doing some Easter decorations with. So these are the flowers, of course, that Oakley presented to me in the park earlier. So I'm going to use those somewhere. This little bunch of flower foliage decoration with the little Easter eggs inside, these are actually from Poundland. I've got this beautiful faux eucalyptus plant from Primark. Absolutely love this. And another one of those Easter arrangement flowers from Poundland there as well. I've got this beautiful decorative flower pot which I picked up in Aldi, and I got this around, I don't know, I must have picked this up with several other things from Aldi, which I'm going to do an Aldi homeware haul. Just going to show you this bit for now. This is a planter, or you can use it as a window box, but I'm going to use it as like a little tablescape for when we have our Easter dinner. And then I've got some lavender here, faux lavender. It looks real, doesn't it? I got this from HomeSense a few years ago, and I'd always kind of use this around Easter time. It just looks so pretty and so realistic. And to be fair, these flowers that Oakley picked in the park earlier goes quite well with these lavender flowers. So I've also got this faux plant. This is from B&M, I think so. I haven't been out shopping in these stores. I've got all of these items I've picked up in the stores long before lockdown. So what I'm going to do now is just make an arrangement using these items. And, you know, it's going to look really pretty. Hubby's downstairs preparing dinner, so I'm going to do this quite quick so I can put it on the table and have it ready for our Easter dinner. Okay, so I've got this Oasis that I picked up in one of the budget stores. Not sure which one. I think it might have been B&M. It might have been the other one, Home Bargains. So, I'm going to unwrap this. Oh, this looks, I mean, I know the packaging was a bit much, but this looks so pretty just without the packaging. Now, and it's pure white. So I've got the Oasis, which I don't like touching. It's got a really funny texture to it. I'm just going to pop it in here like so. And then what I'm going to do is take these flowers here. It's a shame to have to undo them actually, but I might just have to put those in with the brown paper because I can use them somewhere else actually in the house as well. So I've got that. Then I've just taken some sprouts of the lavender. I'm just going to put those around like so. Don't know if you can see that. I might have to bring you in a little bit more. In like that. I'm going to bring those to the front, the longer pieces of lavender, so they're kind of like hanging over the front of the of this box. And this is already looking absolutely amazing. I might take out, yeah, I might have to take off some of these yellow flowers from the Poundland one, just to give that some depth there. And then some of the eggs. Now I don't really want to take this apart, this Primark one, so I actually want to use this in another project as well. This one's already kind of got that bit of Oasis in it, so I might just pop this in the middle here like so, but I think it just looks more Christmassy, this one, so I'm going to take that out actually, sorry. Yeah, so I'm doing this more or less live. I didn't actually have a plan for this before, I'm just kind of doing it as I'm going along. So put more lavender in, take off some of these. Yeah. I've actually taken the whole of 2 of these apart already, so I might as well just go ahead and do it. Well, I've just seen they've actually used polystyrene as the base in this one, so that's an idea. And then what I'm going to use is the flowers that Oakley picked me and put those in the middle. They smell really nice actually. The only thing is I don't know what to do with the sides here. Now I do have this which I can just put in the side there. That looks quite pretty actually. Yeah. And what I might do is just move the whole thing over and just have it like that. Like that and like that. So round the back here I've got some other flowers which I totally forgot about. So I've got these flowers. They're like a beigey yellowy kind of colour. Just going to try and untwist them. I wonder if I can just use it like that and pull it in like so. I think that works quite nicely. I'm going to put the pink one in there and then just have this one on the side like that. Just turn it around. Yep, that looks good. And that's my Easter box, which I'm going to now bring downstairs onto our table. Beautiful. So Oakley and Daddy don't want to be in the picture. Look how they're embracing themselves. Okay, so this is how my table scape box is looking absolutely beautiful. That's our dinner. So thank you so much for watching part 2 of my Easter Sunday vlog. I really hope you liked this video. If you didn't see part 1, I'll put a little link at the top here for you to click on that and have a look. And also I'll put a link in the description box below. So thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. If you're new around here, don't forget to subscribe on the way out. And don't forget to click on the notification bell to be notified of when I post my next video. So take care now. Bye.